People, welcome to Selvin and Family Kitchen today. Today we're gonna cook rice and peas with curry goat. So this in my garden, I get piece of fresh piece of spring onion. So I'm just gonna cut off a fresh spring onion out the garden. So that's what I'm doing now. So I get that. So when I cut it that way now, it's gonna spring right up back. So I just cut piece of fresh piece of spring onion right out the garden. Look at that. So today I'm gonna cook in curry goat with rice and peas, Jamaican style. So this is my garden. Got some tomato coming up. So I just get this fresh spring onion from the garden. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin and Family Kitchen today. Today we're gonna cook rice and peas with curry goat, real Jamaican style. So we have some goat over here where we have already washed already. Then we have the peas. So we're just gonna put in the peas in the pot to boil because the peas take long to cook. Just gonna chop that in. And then we have half of red chopped onion, put that in as well. Put a little bit of salt. So leave that to cook for around half an hour to 20 minutes. So guys, my peas have been cooking for the last 20 minutes. So we're gonna put in some coconut powder. So this is Grace coconut powder. So just gonna use some warm water, boiling water to mix it out. So just pour in some boiling water in this cup. Then I just get a fork like this, just mix it around like that. Guys, this is my red peas. It was cooking for the last 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So my peas cook. So I'm just gonna season up the pot. Gonna put in some coconut milk. 1 cup of coconut milk. Gonna put in a scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna make that scotch bonnet pepper burst in it. I'm just gonna make it boil out in it. And then spring onion is picked from the garden. Just gonna put in a piece of spring onion like that. Then I'm gonna put in some dry thyme. I don't have a fresh thyme, so I just use dry thyme, give it the same flavor. So let's give it a stir. Make it cook. Give it around 10 minutes to cook. So guys, this is what the season for the curry goat. So we have some chopped spring onion there, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, and chopped ginger, 1 white chopped onion. We have half of bell orange pepper, half of bell yellow and red pepper. Then we have 2 kg of goat we're gonna look after. We have some all-purpose seasoning, we have some pimento, some black pepper, some curry powder. So guys, right about now we're just gonna put in some all-purpose seasoning to season up the meat. I'm gonna put in a teaspoon. It's a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put in a touch of pimento. I like to use pimento. Pimento give it a nice flavor and a nice taste. So a little bit more pimento. And I'll have a touch of black pepper. So I don't want to use too much black pepper in this one, so a little touch. I'm just gonna mix that in. that for around 20 minutes. Guys, this has been marinated for the last 20 minutes, so now we're just going to put in some white onion, one chopped white onion. Do that. 4 cubes of chopped garlic. Get that out of the way. Some chopped ginger. Get everything out. Give that a nice little stir. So today, guys, we're gonna look at curried goat with rice and peas, Jamaican style. This, guys, we're just chuck in the 1 chopped onion and 4 cubes of chopped garlic with some ginger. So now I'm gonna put in half a teaspoon of all-purpose. That. I'm gonna put in a touch of pimento. A little bit of touch of pimento in that. Give it a stir. I'm gonna put in 2 teaspoons of curry. Even 2.5 teaspoons of curry. Let that curry brown off. You want to brown your curry first, but a lot of people can put in the curry and the meat everything in one, but I like to brown up my curry first. So guys, what we're going to do now is put in the goat. The curry been brown off. Just going to chuck in that goat. Give it a nice little stir. So you want to get all of that ginger, all of that garlic, all of that pimento, everything in. So let's see, that's a quite nice mix. Yeah, let's mix it up like that. Brown up. So guys, just gonna look on my goat again. That was cooking for the last 5 minutes. So that's gonna give it a nice little stir. Beautiful flavor. And that's a nice color there. Today we're looking for curry goat with rice and peas, Jamaican style. Give it another 10 minutes to cook. Guys, I'm just looking on my peas. So I put some coconut milk, spring onion, thyme, a scotch bonnet pepper, a little bit of pimento. Yeah, ready for the rice now. Check that rice and peas is coming on. So people, whenever you're cooking rice and peas, a lot of people don't know to cook rice and peas, a lot of people do. So when you're cooking rice and peas and you see the water go right down like that, just turn on the fire very, very, very low. So you want that steam to steam it. You don't want turn up the fire high and eat that rice, because you don't want that rice to burn, because you want the low temperature to steam that rice. Then you put them back the lid, give it another 5 minutes there, steam right down. And my goat, I'm going to give this goat another 25 minutes. And then I'm going to have 3 carrots here we're going to chop. I got 2 potato, 2 stick of celery, spring onion, and some pepper. So guys, I've been cooking for the last 25 minutes to half an hour. So now just gonna chuck in the pepper. So that is half of orange bell pepper, half of red and yellow bell pepper, and 1 stalk of spring onion. So I have 3 carrots here we're gonna cut up. Just chuck them in as well. So I just slice it in 2, slice them up. So it's gonna take around maybe 10 to 12 minutes to cook. So I don't want to slice them too small. So this is curry goat, Jamaican style. A lot of people cook it different, but this is my way to cook it. So that's what I'm doing now. Just chopping this in. The carrot. We have 2 potatoes we're going to cut up. We're going to cut them too small. We're going to cut them too big. Just slice that in 4. Slice this one in 2 as well. Slice in there. So this is curry goat, Jamaican style. So guys, if you're watching my video and you don't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button and please share and like. So I have a stick of celery as well. Just gonna cut it in 2 right there. Slice them up. I love celery, so please, a lot of people will steam them. We can put celery in anything you want to look after. So there's a stick of celery. I think I'm gonna add the next potato. Give that a nice stir. So I'm gonna give that 10 minutes and see you back in 10. Guys, this is the rice and peas. Look at that. This is Jamaican rice and peas. So it's all finished now. Look at that beautiful rice and peas there. That chili pepper in it. And right over here we have the curry goat, all finished. So I'm just gonna dish it out. So guys, this is the curry goat with rice and peas, Jamaican style. Kind of beautiful. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please hit that notification and please leave a comment.